Welcome to my channel, viewers. Here is the subject of about the competitive exam. There is I given here 3 questions. After that, I will follow the some next question to this video. And now first here is a very interesting question, and for different type of competitive exam. See, in that question, the number of irrational term in the binomial expansion. And how many number of irrational term of this expansion? Okay, how many? So irrational term. So in that question, this is here 3 to the power 1 by 5, 7 to the power 1 by 3, whole to the power 100. So we have taken common 3 to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 100, and that is equal to 1 plus 7 to the power 1 by 3 and 3 to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 100, and that is equal to, we can write here 3 to the power 20. And now here is the binomial expansion for NC. NC means any here is 100, C1, and 7 to the power 1/3 by 3 to the power 1/5. Okay, plus 100 C2 and 7 to the power 1 by 3 by 3 to the power 1 by 5th whole to the power square. And this is the number of term. Here is power here is an integer, that is positive integer, that is 100. So number of term of this expansion here is 101. Okay, so now the generalizing form, if you multiply this is 3 to the power 20, and summation form r equal to 1 to 100 actually, and then we can write here 100 is 6 here, so 100 CR, and now this is to the power 1, this is to the power 2, so like that 7 to the power 1/3, and this is 3 to the power 1/5 to the power r. So we can again rewrite here 3 to the power 20. This is a rational term, 3 to the power 20, and that is r equal to 1 to 100. This is 100 CR, and 7 to the power r by 3, and whole divided by 3 to the power r by 5. Okay, therefore this expression will be a rational, is rational when r is equal to, here is r by 3 and r by 5, so that the LCM of 3 into 5, 3 or 5 is 15. So the multiple number of 15 is 15 to the 1 is 15, 15 with 2 is 30, okay, and 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, and 15 6s are 90, and 15 6s are more than 100, so more than 101. So we only get a rational term when r 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90. Here is also a 1. Therefore the rational term, therefore the numbers of rational term is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th, and therefore the numbers of irrational term is equal to, total term is here 101 minus 7, 101 minus 7, and it is here 94. Okay, actually this is okay 94 in my video. There is some firstly wrongly written. This is 95. It would be a 94 here. The option D. Okay. See the solution carefully. See sin alpha and cos alpha be the roots of the equation x square bx plus c is equal to 0. So sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to b. Sin alpha into cos alpha is equal to c. If we are squaring this, then we get here 1 plus sin 2 alpha equal to b square. We know that the sin 2 alpha lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So therefore minus 1 sin 2 alpha, that is b square minus 1, doing plus 1, so that is 0, b square, and that is 2. Okay, so therefore b minus root 2, b plus root 2. Okay, this is your root 2, this is your minus root 2. Put here less than root 2, that is 1.4, and this is 1.4 something, so we put here 1, that is 1. It is positive. If we put here 1, then it is negative. Positive into negative is negative, it's satisfied. So b minus root 2 less than equal to 0, that is b less than equal to root 2. Okay, if we put here 0, so if we put a less than or minus root 2, that is greater than, this is greater than, b minus root 2 is greater than 0. Okay, sorry, this is plus, so b is greater than equal to minus root 2. If we take here minus 1.3, so this is there minus 1.3 negative and minus 1.3 positive, so it would be satisfied. So the domain of b here minus root 2 to root 2. Okay, again from that sin alpha and cos alpha multiply by 3, and this is okay, so implies that sin 2 alpha equal to c. So this is here, sin 2 alpha is greater than equal to, less than equal to, this is, so minus 1, this is 2c, okay, divided by half c. Which region is satisfied here? C. This is less than equal to root 2. C. This is B. Lies on this interval. So you get here option A. Again for that, A lies on that, also option A. So A and B are answer. Okay, see the solution. Very good question. Okay. See for 3. A very easy question. 100, a 1000. And this number 1 by 1 into 2 can be expressed as 1 minus half. And 1 by 2 into 3 it can be expressed as 1 by 2 minus 1/3. So same as 1/3 minus 1/4. Same as okay, all the number are cancelled. So this number we cancel to the previous number, and that will be 1000 and 1 minus, okay, 1000,999. So answer is 999. So option B. Okay. And next problem, some of the exam always given this type of problem. Look here, like x to the power 6 into sine 3x dx. And if we proceed to the u into v method, then it will be a long, so long. Now it is some option are given, so you should do some short technique within the 20 second, 30 second. See here. So this is your question number 4. Okay, so see, this is your easiest technique. First we have write here x to the power 6. Okay, then after minus, and the derivative of x to the power 6 here, 6 into x to the power 5. Okay, then plus, and derivative of this 30x to the power 4. Okay, then again minus 120 into x to the power 3, then plus 360 x square. Okay, then 720 x. Okay, then 720. Okay, derivative of x is 1. So after that, if we integrate this function, we get here minus cos 3x by 3. Again, if we integrate this function, this minus sin 3x by 9. Again integrate this function, then we get minus minus plus, so cos 3x by 27. Again integrate of this function, then we get here sin 3x, this is 81. Okay, again integrating this function, then we get here, this is here cos 3x by this. Again integrating this function, then we get sin 3x by 3 3 is 9, 3 4 12, 2 হাতে 1, 3 2 6 7, 729. Okay, again integrating this, then we get here cos 3x by 7 to 9, again into 3. Okay, this is your answer. You can do within the 20 seconds. Very easiest technique. plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, I am doing this is your plus, so you can, this is your minus and this will be plus. Okay, so for question number 5, and here is e to the power 7x into cos 8x and dx. Okay, so what is the easiest technique? Let us assume this as a phi of x function. Okay, see, that is equal to e to the power 7x and cos 8x and dx is equal to e to the power 7x whole divided by 7 square plus 8 square, and this is a 7 into and phi of x minus derivative of phi of x plus c. So this is e to the power 7x by 7 square plus 8 square. This is 7 into cos 8x, and differentiation of this minus minus plus sine 8x, and here is 8 plus c. Actually this is the answer, final answer. Actually it has some formula, but formula is a very lengthy formula, so that's why you have to learn this type of technique. Okay, then we can easily get the answer.
Welcome to my channel, viewers. See, here is a problem of some series, and the sum of the series is 1 by 1 into 2 25c0 plus 1 over 2 into 3 25c1 plus 1 over 3 into 4 25c2 dot plus 1 over 26 into 27 25c25. Now first we have to follow this solution by the generalizing form. So what is the generalizing form? First we have to find the rth term. Okay, then have to solve this. Okay, so C is here, that is the p suffix r. So in that case we replace this is 25c. See here 25 25 25, so 25 here is unchanged. Change here is 0 1 2 3 like that, so we noted that as r. But here is 1 2 2 3, so that's why here is we can write here r into, so that is here, okay, r 0 from 0, so r plus 1 and r plus 2. So see, if we put 0 then we got this, if we put 1 then we got this, okay, like that. So therefore the summation p suffix n and r equal to 0 to and 25, and C, and that is equal to summation r equal to 0 to 25, and this is the expression is 1 by 1 over r plus 1 and r plus 2, and that is 25 cr. See, so this is here summation r equal to 0 to 25, okay, 0 to 25, and we now expand these as 25 factorial 25 by factorial r and factorial 25 minus r. See, here is 1 over r plus 1, so r plus 2 into r plus 1. If we this here combine, then we get here factorial r plus 2. So now right here, that is r equal to 0 to 25, and this is 25 factorial, and we can write this as a factorial r plus 2. So from that, as we see that this is r plus 2, so we can write here like 25 and see doing here. Now want to express as a r plus 2. As we see, there is a r plus 1. Actually, I want to write NCR, that is factorial n, factorial n minus r. As we write here r plus 2, so we want to get here this minus r plus 2. As here is r plus 2, so we can write here as, see here, it is not less than 25. So it is more than, if we write 23 plus within the bracket, okay, so that's why r plus 2, and here is a 27. Okay, so we got 25, 27 minus 2 is 25 here. So but there is a 27, but here is a 25. So we want to balancing this number. We get here like if we multiply, that is here 26 into and 27. So that's why we write here 26 into 27. Okay, so see 1 by 26 into 27, and that is summation from r equal to 0 to and 25, and that is here factorial 25, 26, 27. So we write 27 and divided by factorial r plus 2, and this is here 27 minus r plus 2. So again we write here 26 into 27. So this is here, and r equal to 0 to 25. So this is 27c r plus 2. Okay, see, if we expand this, then we got this. And in that case, so this is here 26 into 27. So now if we put here 0, so you get this 27c 2. So 27, if we put here 1, then we got 27c 3. So this is here 27c 27. So now we have to form 27 2 here. So we added a 2 term, and then we get easily the sum of this expression, that is here 27c0 plus 27c1. Okay, and doing minus 27c0, this is here 1, and 27c1, if we expand this, we get here 27. Okay, so 1 by 26 into 27, and sum of this all are 1 plus 1 whole to the power 27. So this is 28 here. Okay, and this is here 27, 26, 27 into, this is here 2 to the power 27 minus 28, and this is your answer. Answer is what? This is option B. Okay, I think you'll be happy to see this video. Okay, bye everybody. Welcome to my channel everybody. Here is the problem of sum of series. It is given by this, that is 2 by 1 NC0, 2 square by 2 NC1, 2 cube by 3 NC2 plus dot 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 2 to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 NCN. Okay. So now first we find the general term. So we convert this as a generalizing form. Then after we find the sum of this series. So see here n. So in that case NC0, NC1, NC2. So here is n is unchanged. So first we have to find not a n term, we define as a r term. So general term here is a r plus 1 r term. Okay. So see that is t suffix r. So that is equal to, this is here 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, so 2 to the power r plus 1, we can write here r plus 1. Okay, by 1, 2, 3. So this is here r plus 1. If we put 0, then we get 2. Okay, r plus 1 and into NCR. Okay, this is the general term of this series. Now find the sum of r equal to 0 to n, r equal to 0 to n, okay, of t suffix r, and this is equal to summation r equal to 0 to n to the power r plus 1 by r plus 1 into NCR, okay, and this is equal to, first see here, as we find the sum of the series of that, as is here is changeable, this is 0 1 2 3 dot 2 n, so here is a problem, so we want to eliminate r plus 1, okay, so that's why the technique here is r equal to 0 to n, so 2 to the power r plus 1 by r plus 1, and this is a factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r, okay. Now see, this is r equal to 0 to n 2 to the power r plus 1, okay, r plus 1, this is factorial r plus 1, and this is our n minus r. See here, this is our r plus 1, so, and 2 to the power r, sorry, this is our r plus 1, and now this is our r plus 1, see, this is our r plus 1 factorial, so that's why we want to get here r plus 1, so n plus 1, this is our minus. N plus 1, and this is our r plus 1, okay. So now factorial n, so r equal to 0 to n 2 to the power r plus 1, okay, and now see, here is n plus 1, so here multiply by n plus 1, and this is factorial n, so if we multiply here n plus 1, so for balancing we write here n plus 1, okay, this is factorial r plus 1, and this is n plus 1 minus r plus 1, so that's all 1 by n plus 1, and summation r equal to 0 to n and 2 to the power r plus 1, and this is here factorial n plus 1 by factorial r plus 1, okay, and factorial n plus 1 minus r plus 1, so this is equal to 1 by n plus 1 summation r equal to 0 to n and 2 to the power r plus 1 n plus 1 c r plus 1, okay. So if we put here 1 by n plus 1 from 0, then we got here 2 to the power 1 n plus 1 c 1, 2 to the power 2 n plus 1 c 2, okay, dot dot 2 to the power n plus 1 n plus 1 c n plus 1, okay, 1 by n plus 1, so we have to add it here 2 to the power 0 into n plus 1 c0, 2 to the power 1 n plus 1 c1, 2 to the power 2 n plus 1 c2, 2 to the power n plus 1 into n plus 1 c n plus 1. So actually this value is 1 here, so doing balancing for minus 1. So this is here n plus 1, and we can write here actually 1 plus 2 whole to the power n plus 1 minus 1. So that is 3 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay? Very interesting question, see carefully here. Okay, bye. Welcome to my channel, viewers. See, here is the sum of the series, that is n equal to 1 to infinity, and sign within the bracket factorial n into pi whole divided by 720, whole divided by 720. See the solution here. See, n equal to 1 to infinity, sign factorial n into pi and divided by 720. If we put 1, then we get sine pi by 720. If we put 2, then we get 2 pi by 720. If we put 3, this is factorial 3, so we get here 6 pi by 720. If we put here 4, factorial 4 means 24, factorial 4 means 24 pi by 720, okay, plus sine, if we put 5, factorial 5 means 120 pi by 720, plus sine, if we put factorial 6, that is 720 pi by 720, as it is a factorial n. So next number all are multiple number of 720. So see, these to infinity, okay, these all are equivalent to 0, as all the sign of within the bracket of angle, and that is the multiple of pi, integer multiple of pi. So it is never via except 0. If we get here 0, each and every value of the next all are 0. So we get only these to this. So that is sine pi by 720 plus sine pi by 360 plus sine pi by 6 120 plus sine pi by 24. Okay, that is 30. Okay, 324 is 720 plus sine pi by 6 to the 720, and the remaining all are 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, so actually this is your answer. Okay, bye everybody. Welcome to my channel, viewers. Here is the complex number. Here is the problem of complex number in a organ plane. The distinct root of this complex number, where Z is represent a complex number and represent the vertices of a square, equilateral triangle, rhombus and rectangle. Which one is true? So now first solution, C, solve this complex number. Actually is 1 plus Z and 1 plus ZQ equal to 0. So either Z equal to minus 1 or ZQ plus 1 equal to 0. So now ZQ plus 1 equal to 0. Factorize this. Z plus 1, Z square minus Z plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so implies that Z equal to minus 1 and Z equal to actually minus omega. Sorry, this is minus 1, minus 1, this is a minus 1, minus omega and minus omega. You know, from the cube of unity, if x is equal to is this, so x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So then you get here minus 1 plus minus root over minus 3 by 2, and then I can write here this is as a omega and omega square. So that's why actually we get here actually plus 1 plus minus over minus 3 by 2 actually. So that's why we represent here minus omega and minus omega square. So see z equal to, this is minus 1, so 0 dot I. So minus omega, and minus omega is equal to, if we take a value of that, this is omega, so minus omega is one value of that, so this is minus 1. If we take minus 1 plus of that, so this is minus 1 plus root over minus 3 by 2, so it will be, it is 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 into I. So minus omega square is equal to same as this minus plus I into root 3 by 2 here. Therefore the vertices are, let us assume A, and that is minus 1 comma 0, and B, this is half comma minus root 3 by 2, and C, this is half comma root 3 by 2. Now find AB. So AB is equal to root over of this minus this. So that is here minus 1 minus of that. So minus 3 by 2 whole square, and 0 minus the, this is minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole square, and this is here root over 9 by 4 and 3 by 4, 12 by 4, this is root 3. Okay. Okay, now AB. Find AC. Okay, AC. This is here, this minus 3, this. So same as we get here root 3. Okay. So AC, AB, BC. And BC is equal to this minus this. Actually 0. So this minus this. So root 3 square. So 3 root 3. Okay. See, 3 length are same. So AB equal to AC equal to BC. So the option is an equilateral triangle. Okay, bye everybody. See carefully the solution.